Volvo's lineup change proceeds. One by one, the Chinese-claimed Swedish automaker has been updating its vehicles with another outside plan dialect, a reevaluated inside control format, and new secluded stages. The 2019 Volvo V60 is the most recent model to make its worldwide presentation, having moved to Volvo's scalable product architecture, SPA, and increasing little V90 check request, numerous 4-barrel powertrains, and the abnormal state of security highlights we've generally expected from Volvo. In spite of the fact that the V60 will offer gas, mixture, and diesel powertrains in different markets, the United States will get just 2 gas setups at dispatch, T5 FWD and T6 AWD. The T5 demonstrate utilizes a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-four that produces 250 strength and 258 lb-ft of torque and sets with front-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive T6 demonstrate has a 316 HP turbocharged and supercharged 4-barrel that conveys 295 lb-ft of torque. In Europe, the new V60 will be accessible with 2-module crossbreed powertrains from dispatch, and we expect no less than 1 will end up accessible in the US at some point after the V60 at first goes on special. The all the more capable of the two, the 390 HP T8, is like the setup offered in the V60's SUV kin, the XC60. Making its introduction in the V60 is the new T6 FEV setup, which has a joint yield of 340 strength. Directing is taken care of by an electrically helped rack and pinion framework, and the V60 rides on a control arm suspension in advance and a multi-link setup with a transverse composite leaf spring in the back. The patched-up V60 draws elaborately nearer to the bigger V90 and V90 Cross Country, a V60 Cross Country off to come soon. Its recently chiseled physique includes an inclining roof line, more honed wrinkles, and more forceful front styling with the brand's Mark Thor's hammer LED light marks. The new V60 is recognizably lower, and more extensive than previously. Its wheelbase increments by very nearly 4 crawls to 113.1, while the body has developed by almost 5 creeps to 187.4. For correlation, the V90 is 194.3 inches in length and rides on a 115.8-inch wheelbase. The new V60 is an inch more extensive than its forerunner and 2.2 inches bring down in stature. The greater body makes for more space inside versus the active model. Payload volume increments from 28 cubic feet to 30 with the back seats up and from 44 3D shapes to 48 with the 60/40 split back seat collapsed. Race Traveler's Advantage 2, with second push legroom expanding from 33.5 creeps to 35.2. As found in a portion of the photographs discharged by Volvo, another 2-tone upholstery with fake cowhide trim and plaid material additions will be offered. In any event in Europe, we're trusting the choice makes it to the States. The new V60 gets from its bigger kin in the tech and security divisions. The V60 trenched the old Auto's out-of-date infotainment framework for the tablet-style Sensus touchscreen. It's good with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it offers 4G availability. Standard well-being highlights incorporate mechanized crisis braking with crash and person-on-foot shirking, versatile journey control, and path-keeping help. Raise cross-activity alarm with robotized braking as discretionary. Volvo says the new V60 will land in the US in mid-2019, however the organization isn't prepared to discharge data about estimating. Volvo noted that the V60 will be offered through its Care by Volvo membership benefit, which made its introduction on the new XC40 hybrid. With it, clients can pay a level month-to-month charge that incorporates administration and protection.